AutoChat lib is a wrapper library of d3.js version 4 for Angular 5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install AutoChat lib in Angular 5 step by step. At first, we need to install Angular CLI. If you have not installed it yet, in your command line, type npm install -g at Angular CLI. It will take some time. Then, make a project by Angular CLI. Type ng new sample chart. Sample chart is the project name. Any name will do. This process will also take some time. Next, we are going to change into the project directory. Then we are going to start Visual Studio Code, which is popular for Angular developers. Type code dot. Then, open another command line in VS Code by typing Ctrl @ or ' key. In this command line, type ng-serve for starting local server. In your browser, open localhost colon 4200. If you find the default Angular page, installation is OK. Back in the VS Code, type Ctrl-C and Y return to stop the local server. At first, we are going to install d3.js. Type npm i d3 at 4.3.0 --save. Next, we are going to install AutoChat lib. Type npm i AutoChat lib --save. Back in the browser, open AutoChat lib consumer homepage. Its URL github.com/auths/AutoChat lib consumer. Scroll down to step-by-step installation for Angular CLI. You will find Modify app module.ts section. Copy the target import line. Back in the VS Code, open app module.ts file and paste it. Next, add AutoChat component to declaration section. And add chat const to providers section. Save this file by typing Ctrl+S key. Then we are going to modify app component.ts file. Back in the browser, copy all the target lines. They are rather long. Back in the VS Code, open app component.ts file and paste them. Back in the browser, copy import chart const line. Back in the VS Code, paste it. Save this file by typing Ctrl+S key. Next, we are going to modify app component.html file. Back in the browser, copy all the target lines. Back in the VS Code, open app component.html file and paste them. Overwrite the default HTMLs. Save this file by typing Ctrl+S key. Next, we are going to modify styled.css file. Back in the browser, copy all the target lines. Back in the VS Code, open styled.css file and paste them. Save this file by typing Ctrl+S key. Finally, we are going to restart local server. Type ngs in the command line. Back in the browser, open localhost colon 4200 and refresh it. You will find GeoAuth graphic and other many charts. If you refresh the page, you will find some animations. Alright, thank you for watching.